Asado and soy chicken. Wow. Sa'yo?
Parang duck.
Ano yung sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam.
Order. Wiggle, wiggle. Ay, hindi siya mag-wiggle.
Malamig na yung
going to watch Delia D. Let's go. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be reminded that photo or
and Michael Stewart Williams, maraming salamat po. It's our last show. Ang nakita niyo po is just a bit. Choreographer, Steven Villas. Our musical director and arranger, Vince Lim.
Don't watch it. Step. 3-hour show. Don't watch it. Delia. Ano yun si ano? Wala. Ay, wala na. Ay, oo nga. We're going on. Ayun. Delia or just Delia? Or Delia Moralidad?
Delia D.
Delia Moralidad. Hey. Hehehe. Hi guys, so we're back here at our hotel at Guangdong Hotel near MOA. So it's around Pasay and malapit lang siya sa Hotel 101. So we actually watched ano ay winatch natin? We actually watched Delia at U Port. So it's actually the encore run for that show. So we actually got that as buy one get one, and actually that's a still price kasi 4th row kami from the stage, which is a good view though nasa gilid. Anyway, so since it's already past 12, we're going to have midnight snack. Midnight snack na siya. So, food haul. Yeah. Bumili na lang kami sa may 7-Eleven. So, the very first one na makukuha ko is for my sister, pork liampo. Yan. Actually, maganda rin tong place na to kasi pagbaba mo may mga Burger King and Jollibee. Then, walking distance, may mga cafe and 7-Eleven. So, next is... Asan yun? Okay. Meron pala siyang tom yum. Ilagyan niyo na ng mainit. This one. Then, for me, I have onigiri. My staple onigiri sa 7-Eleven. And also, I have beef bulgogi and kimchi fried rice. Kimbap. So, pareho siyang carbs. Then, bumili lang siya ng coffee. And, I bought myself another chocolate Goya. Berries. And, I will try this matcha latte. I will try this matcha latte. 61 pesos siya. Then, ay, shucks. Tunaw na yung ano ko. They also have this. Natunaw lang siya. Lagayan with ice. So, plus 10 pesos. So, it's 71. So, let's eat. So, I will pour this matcha latte here. Tunaw lang siya. So, I will get the water. Lamig. Matcha latte. Shake well before drinking. Jungle Cafe. 180 calories na to. Oh, nice. Kasi medyo pricey siya. But let's see. Yun. Let's taste this matcha. Not bad, but not very good. Pero okay na din siya for the price. Try this one. Medyo powdery lang yung lasa niya. But you can try it. Quick fix if you want some matcha latte. Diba parang Starbucks na siya. And it only costs 71 pesos. Pero sa SM nakita ko siya parang around 50 pesos siya per pack. So, I will try that. Mukbang time. This is my favorite na onigiri sa 7-Eleven. Ano smooth yung pagkaka-open ko kasi minsan hindi siya smooth. Lalo na ininit. Ay, hindi nga siya. Kasi mainit siya. Dumikit siya. Dapat diretso lang siya. Anyway, ito siya. Sumabog lang yung... So, it's actually kind of hard to adjust the camera angle, but ito yung pinaka-okay. Well, I'm actually doing this mask. So, I'm going to have the Rejuvenating Honey Nutrient. So, this is from Face Republic. Ace Republic? Yeah, but it's from Korea. Anyway, I'm going to put it while I'll tell you a quick review dun sa Delia. Well, actually very quick lang naman. So, actually, we watched the theater play Delia. So, this is actually the encore round for their show. And I think this is because of the Pride Month. So, nagkaroon sila ng extension for that show. Since the concept of the story is actually there's Delia na she's actually a drag queen, and usually, syempre, mga drag queens kasi they usually just lip sync, but she wanted to be a legit singer. So, nagkaroon sila ng idol in the Galaxy, I think. Yan. So, sumali siya doon. Then, yan. There is this one person, Kiki, and she's actually good. Like, sobrang galing niya kumanta. So yun, we actually just have a check-in here for the weekend. I booked it through Agoda, but I think they're actually available in Klook, and if you're available and you prefer Klook, you could actually use my code. Oh, nag-advertise, but anyway, yun, it's actually near MOA, as in malapit lang siya sa Hotel 101. Nasa likod kasi siya, sobrang siyang tago, like nasa likod siya ng Burger King and Jollibee. So, hindi mo talaga siya makikita unless talagang pasukin mo siya. There's a lot of good places here sa may around MOA. So, if you're going to watch a concert, yeah, I would suggest it here. But actually, the downfall here is the shower. Kasi hindi maganda yung pagkaka-shower niya. I'll show you why. So, this is the shower. So, yun naman siya. Meron naman siyang heater, but if i-open mo siya, ganyan lang siya. Medyo weird yung bagsak ng tubig niya. So, ang hassle, maligo. But other than that, I think, yun. Sobrang lamig din dito. So, if mahilig kayo sa malamig, I'll just put this mask kay ate habang tulog siya. Nalagay ko to sa mukha mo. Sabi mo ilagay ko. Ang lamig. Ano ba? Lamig ko sa mukha mo. She's buying something for Tilly. That's the cat mom. Thank you. Got home and sobrang maulan ako, but I have new nails and it's so cute. It's a lemon inspired, super cute niya. I'll put the inspo somewhere there, pero sobrang okay talaga yung nail tech ko because every time that I will be sending her an inspo, nasusunod siya. But yeah, I have a girly nails for this July. But yeah, good night, see you in the next vlog. Bye. Thai food. Then I also have sushi and Thai food. Good night. Bye. New nails. Oh, pack. Okay. Bye.